Best Mobile Mechanic Auto Car Repair Service Shop in Marietta, Georgia. Pre-purchase, used foreign vehicle, buying inspection review near me. Are you stuck at home, at your job, at office business parking lot, or on the side of the roadside? Need assistance because you have a car problem? Let our travel mobile mechanic on wheels technician come to you at any location to fix your car on site and get you back on the road ASAP. You don't need to call a towing company for your vehicle. We can assist you by calling 404-334-3777 or visit mobilemechanicinatlantaga.com for faster service at your convenience. We also provide an affordable, independent, third-party pre-purchase vehicle inspection checkup service on spot at any local automotive dealership or private seller house or apartment. Whenever you want to buy a pre-owned car, truck, or van from American, European, or German foreign luxury import, let us put our knowledge and years of experience to work for you by giving us a call at 404-334-3777. We specialize in solving car problems and give you peace of mind.
If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car helpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.